Good morning, student. Welcome to the course of Electrical Estimating and Contracting, MSBT code 22627, program Electrical Engineering, Unit 3, Industrial Installation. We will first see the subtopic 3.1, Industrial Load. In lecture number 3.1, teach by Mr. Sachin Radekar, HOD, Electrical Engineering. Course outcome and learning outcome. Course outcome: prepare estimate of industrial electrical installations. Learning outcome: compare the installation on the given point. We will see the meaning of industrial load. In industrial load, electrical machine load is more than the lighting load. Secondly, three-phase load is more than single-phase load, and power factor of the load is less than unity. It should be improved, as there is a electrical machine load is more and 90% of the cases induction motor is used. So the power factor is less than unity. It should be improved. Next is the earthing resistance should be maintained. The size of earth wire is 8 SWG of copper wire or 6 SWG of GI wire. All safety precautions should be maintained. Example: MCB, MCCB and ELCB. Tariff for industrial load is different other than the commercial and the residential load. So, in this way, the industrial load we can identify it. Then we will see the comparison of industrial and commercial load on the various point of load capacity, input supply, types of load, distribution, safety precautions, power factor improvement. In first column, industrial installation is there, and then in second column, commercial installation is there. For load capacity, for industrial installation, it is more, for commercial, it is less. Input supply, generally for industrial load, it is three-phase or high tension supply, and for commercial load, it is three-phase supply. Type of load, industrial load is more, lighting load is less. For industrial installation or commercial installation, power load is more, lighting load is less. Distribution, for industrial installation, ST busbar chamber required, and for commercial installation, busbar chamber is required. Safety precautions, circuit breaker can be used as it is not in public place, and for commercial installation, MCB, MCCB should be compulsory use as it is in public place. Power factor improvement, need of power factor improvement as penalty below 0.9 power factor. If the power factor goes below 0.9, there is a penalty. So there must be improvement in the power factor. For commercial installation, need of power factor improvement, but there is no penalty. Then important points of motor wiring, in mostly in industrial load, 90% of the cases is application is the electrical motors, either it may be AC or the DC. So for important points of motor wiring are: supply of motor is controlled by main switch, ICDP, iron clad double pole for single phase machine, and iron clad triple pole for three phase machine. Starter is required to start the motor as the starting current is more, so to limit the starting current, starter is required. Size and core of the cable is decided by starting current of the motor. Next is path and route selected shortest for machine so that the cable requirement is less. The type of cable is decided by the type of supply of the machine. If the machine is single phase, two core cable is used. If the machine is three phase, delta connected three core cable is used. If the machine is 3-phase star connected, 3.5 core cable is used. Cable size of motor is calculated by calculating the full load current, then calculating the starting current of motor. Firstly, full load current of DC motor is calculated by I is equal to rated horsepower multiplied by 735.5 divided by voltage. From this full load current, we can calculate the starting current. It is generally taken 1.5 times the full load current. Then full load current of single phase AC motor, I is equal to rated horsepower multiplied by 735.5 divided by voltage into power factor, and the starting current is calculated 1.5 times the full load current. Then full load current of 3-phase AC motor, I is equal to rated horsepower multiplied by 735.5 divided by 3 into V into power factor, and again starting current is calculated 1.5 times the full load current. Starter used for motors: induction motor of fractional horsepower rating. For that, direct online starter you can use. Then induction motor rating up to 15 horsepower, star data starter or auto transformer starter is used. Induction motor of high rating, star data starter, auto transformer starter, soft start starter can be used. Slip ring induction motor of high rating, rotor resistance starter is used. Application of industrial road: small fabrication workshop, industries of small size or the large size. So summary of today's lecture: we have learned what is industrial road, what is the difference between industrial and commercial road, cable size of the motor, and the motor starter which is used for the motors. This is the PO mapping of 7 POs. Thank you very much student for listening this lecture.